Hey, tech guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to unpack and explore: the Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. With its cutting-edge features and sleek design, this smartphone is definitely making waves in the tech world. So, let's dive right into our comprehensive review of the Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra in 2024. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First things first, let's talk dimensions. The Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra boasts a compact design, measuring 163.8 by 76.8 by 8.9 millimeters and weighing in at 224 g. But don't let its slim profile fool you, this device packs a punch. Featuring a stunning 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 and a refresh rate that ranges from 1 Hz all the way up to 144 Hz. The Zenfone 11 Ultra delivers an immersive viewing experience like no other. Powering this beast is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, coupled with either 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and lightning-fast performance. And with storage options ranging from 256GB to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Now let's talk about the real star of the show, the camera setup on the Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. Equipped with a 50MP primary camera featuring a Sony IMX890 sensor and gimbal OIS technology, you can capture stunningly detailed photos and shake-free videos even in low-light conditions. Plus, with a 13MP ultra-wide camera and a 32MP telephoto camera offering 3x optical zoom, you'll have the versatility to capture every moment from any perspective. Worried about running out of juice? Fear not. The Zenfone 11 Ultra comes equipped with a massive 5,500 mAh battery, ensuring all-day power to keep up with your busy lifestyle. And when it's time to recharge, you'll appreciate the blazing fast 65W wired charging and convenient 15W wireless charging capabilities. Running on Android 14 straight out of the box, the Zenfone 11 Ultra offers a smooth and intuitive user experience with plenty of customization options to suit your preferences. And with 4 stunning color options: Skyline Blue, Eternal Black, Misty Gray, and Desert Sand, you can choose the one that best matches your style. In conclusion, the Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra is a true flagship contender, offering top-of-the-line performance, a versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery life, all wrapped up in a sleek and stylish design. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gaming aficionado, or simply someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, the Zenfone 11 Ultra has something for everyone. That's all for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.